Auto Advisor Pro is the #1 diagnostic tool built for professional technicians. Turn generic fault codes into real-world repair plans. OBD readers stop at the code, Auto Advisor Pro picks up where they leave off. From fault code to fix. No guesswork, no wasted time. Built for technicians who need more than a code, they need answers. While standard OBD tools only point to fault codes, Auto Advisor Pro goes further, translating codes into clear explanations, likely causes, and a practical printable plan to fix them. Or, it will speak to you, if you prefer. Use it alongside your existing tools to save time, reduce trial and error, and get repairs done right the first time. Simply open the app and type, or speak, describing the issue you're facing. Whether it's a noise, error code, or symptom, the app instantly processes your input and delivers expert-informed detailed solutions tailored to the vehicle type and issues you are having, saving you time with complex jobs. Use the results to guide your next steps, confirm your diagnosis, find an issue you never spotted, and save valuable time on fault finding. No more need to call a friend. It's much more than a code reader, it's your workshop wingman. Auto Advisor Pro, where diagnostics end, solutions begin. Whether you're in the garage or on the move, Auto Advisor Pro helps you work faster and solve complex problems with confidence. Auto Advisor Pro makes sense of the mess. Smarter diagnostics and faster fixes, ready for your toolbox. Simplifying complex issues. Auto Advisor Pro belongs in every technician's toolkit. Become a diagnostic guru, increase your revenue with Auto Advisor Pro today. Garages across the country are already putting Auto Advisor Pro to work. And the feedback so far has been overwhelmingly positive. From faster fault finding to more accurate repairs, professional technicians are calling it a game changer for their diagnostic workflow. So, whether you're a one-person garage or a busy workshop, Auto Advisor Pro is helping mechanics work smarter, save time, and deliver better results with every job. Auto Advisor Pro is a cost-effective tool trusted by professionals. And right now, you can try it free. Experience the difference for yourself, with absolutely no commitment. Great tools pay for themselves. But Auto Advisor Pro lets you try it free first, so you can see just how much time and guesswork it saves. Try Auto Advisor Pro free today, and discover why it's quickly becoming a must-have in garages everywhere.